No, so hello guys again. Let me introduce my father, Zoli.
Szevasztok, Zoli vagyok.
Hello guys, I'm Zoli.
Az orvosok 4 éve rákot állapítottak meg nálam,
The doctors found out about 4 years ago I have cancer,
és 2-3 hónapot jósoltak,
and they gave me about 2-3 months to be alive.
és 2 kemoterápián estem túl, és az allergia miatt majdnem belehaltam.
So I had 2 chemotherapies, but unfortunately because of allergy, I almost died because of that.
Mert valakinek használ a kemoterápia, valakinek nem, az emberek 50%-ának használ körülbelül.
So for some people, the chemotherapy can help, but not for everyone. About 50% of the people could use chemotherapy.
Ez az emberiségnek, az embereknek, ez a genetikától függ.
So for people, it all depends on the genetics. If they can help with
Sajnos
this.
én azok közé tartozok, aki allergiás, és kénytelen voltam más gyógymódokhoz fordulni, természetgyógyászhoz például.
So unfortunately, because of the allergy, I'm from those kind of people who can't use chemotherapy. So because of that, I needed to look for different options, like different traditional healing to help me with this situation.
Van a családunknak egy barátja, Mr. Rajdan, Southamptonba.
We have a family friend in Southampton, Mr. Razdan, Daniel. He lives in Southampton.
Hozzáfordultunk, elmentem hozzá, de a lányommal, Olgával küldött különleges természetgyógyász italokat.
I met him, but before we met, he sent me some traditional medication with herbs, what I was trying.
Ez több éve történt, felkerestem Mr. Rajdan.
And this happened about a few years ago. Later, I met him personally as well.
Mr. Rajdan nagyon kedves volt, segítőkész, pénzt nem kér a gyógyításért.
Mr. Razdan was very friendly, helpful, and he never asked for any money for the healing.
Adott nekem különleges italokat, olajat, amivel a testemet, a beteg testrészbe kellett kennem. Nem tudom, hogy hogyan, de használt. De ehhez pozitív hozzáállás kell, és hinni kell benne.
He gave me special medication. He made a drink and he made a kind of holy oil, what I need to use a part of the body where I have the trouble. I don't know how it exactly works, but it did help. The most important thing, you need to be very positive. You need to believe all these things, and you need to be open for these things. And it did help for me.
Nem tudom, hogy csinálja, nem is érdekel, sokkal jobban érzem magam, és először én ezt nem is akartam elhinni, hogy létezik ilyen.
I don't even know how is he doing this. To be honest, I don't even care about how. I don't really believe this kind of things, but what I can tell, it really did work for me.
De hangsúlyozom, ehhez kell a pozitív gondolkodás, hozzáállás, mert csak ez segít. Ez is segíthet. Így egyszerű és kerek a gyógyítása Mr. Rajdannak.
So, this is very important. You need definitely the positive energy, the positive open mind to receive and to use this. Without being positive and without belief, it's not gonna help. I can't say that this is the only thing what helped, but it definitely helped me. And I can say that Mr. Razdan Daniel, he really did help me.
Köszönöm Mr. Rajdán, Rajdán Danielnek Southamptonba. Ajánlom mindenkinek, aki hinni akar az ilyen gyógymódokba.
So I really would like to thanks for Mr. Razdan Daniel to help me, and I would like to recommend him for any people who needs his help and would like to believe in this kind of healing. He could really help.
Köszönöm még egyszer Mr. Rajdánnak, és még egyszer ajánlom mindenkinek, aki hinni akar. De mindegy, hogy csinálja, engem az nem érdekel, de hat, szinte hihetetlen, de hat. Köszönöm.
So thanks again for Mr. Razdan, and once again I would like to recommend him. I don't know how it works. I really don't even care how it works. I do believe, and it did help me, and I would like to recommend again for any people who believe in this kind of healing to try if they need it. And thanks again, Mr. Razdan. Thanks.
Jó volt?
Thank you.
Jó,